At the point where I think the flavour is rich enough, then I'll adjust the consistency. To adjust the consistency, I'll slake it with a little bit of cornflour and water. It's important the water I'm using is cold so that the cornflour doesn't start to thicken, and I'm using my finger to mix it so that I can get rid of any lumps. Now the next part is crucial. The sauce must be boiling, and I'm pouring in a tiny bit of cornflour at a time, and then I'm waiting to see if it's thick enough, and then I'll add some more. If the sauce isn't on a rolling boil and you don't whisk the cornflour in quickly enough, you might end up with lumps, or worst case scenario, you put too much cornflour in, and when the sauce does come to the boil, it's far too thick and it's more like a jelly than actually a sauce.